Jolly friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jollibee's wish came true one day when a shooting star came his way. Into the well it fell, and then there appeared four new friends.
Oh no! Ang high-tech na kaibigan!
Happy here to bring some cheer.
Go Happy! Papa Sports ang paborito ko, yeah!
I'm Twirly, sing and dance with me.
And me, the best friend, Jollibee.
Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly friends, hip hip hooray. Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly friends, hip hip hooray.
Have you seen a world as fun and colorful? A world with lots of rainbows. Fountain of many flavors. And goodies all around. Best of all, a world of adventures, stories, and many friends and neighbors. Dito, masarap tumira. Ito ang Jolly Town. Buksan ang mga mata. Nakakita ka na ba ng mundong makulay at masaya tulad ng Jolly Town? Taste the fountain of many flavors.
Touch the rainbow's magic colors.
They never fade but stay forever. Only in Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Make a wish in the wishing well.
There are amazing stories to tell
That no other place can parallel the joy of Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Dreams come true.
Jolly Town,
No one stays blue.
Jolly Town.
I'll see you at Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place. Jolly Town is the happiest place to be. The sky is like my playground, and the fluffy clouds are my newfound friends. The end. Thank you, Billy. It's so fun to imagine. Just as fun as living in a colorful place like Jolly Town.
Off they went into the horizon.
Very good story.
And just as fun as having friends, I want to share that great story with others. Mamaya na lang ulit tayo magkwentuhan, ha?
Okay, Karina.
I'll be right back. See you later, Billy.
See you, Karina. Ang saya talaga magbasa. Matutulog muna ako habang naglalaro si Karina. Mamaya, may storytelling ulit kami.
That was very good reading. Bravo! Huh?
Pwede ba ako sumali sa inyo?
Sure, lika. Upo ka dito. Ayan.
Once upon a time,
Mhm.
What's happening? I can't stop shaking. What's going on? What happened to all the callers? Who are you?
I have a surprise for everyone.
Wow. Hey, I like surprises. Tell us.
Who wants to come with me to the happiest place in town?
We're ready. Let's go. I'm coming.
Right on.
Don't leave me.
That's great.
Sama ko.
But first, let's get our groove together. Let's sing and dance through the happiest place. Ready?
Yes.
Follow me.
Wow. Let's go.
Yeah.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Step 1. Let's call the step Rejoice. Hands towards the sky. Cross your arms. Show your love by pointing to your friends.
Jollytown is the place for me.
Step 2. Let's do the S step. Follow me. S left. S right. Put on a smile.
We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Step 3. Be alert now for our next step. This is going to be fast. Slide your right arm upwards. Together with your right foot, bend and smile. Step 4. Move to your side. Point your right foot and make a half moon action. Step 5. Point to the ground. Then the sky. Slide to the left. Then point to your friends.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Kids, remember the words. Rejoice. S step. Be alert. Half moon and point move so you can groove to the #1 dance craze in town. Jollytown is the happiest place to be. Now let's get going. Yoo-hoo!
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsaya, ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
You've all done a great job dancing to the music.
Congratulations, Jolly friends.
Really good.
Yes, it's so cool. Yes.
Remember, you're all talented and special to us. So we'll be seeing one another for more exciting dance moves.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
See you soon. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsaya, ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Wow, talagang makulay dito sa Jollytown. Ha? Ano yun?
they're pretty good.
And cut! Yay!
Yay!
Good job, guys!
Way to go! Good work. Oh,
Oh, bakit namatay yung ilaw? Popo, are you playing a trick on us?
oh, me? No, I'm not. Not this time.
Okay, lights on, please.
Oh,
Huh? Hey, what happened?
strange.
Kasama ba yun sa script? I don't think so. Popo, stop playing with the lights and sounds.
I told you it wasn't me.
Huh? Anong nangyayari? Hey, what's going on?
See? I told you it wasn't me. I wouldn't know how to do that.
Something weird is going on. Huh? Look at my arm! My face!
Oh,
We lost our colors. First the lights, then the music and stage. Oh
now us. Something strange is definitely happening in Jollytown.
no! Alam na kaya to ni Jollibee? What's that?
Ayun.
Yikes! What was that?
Uh,
I don't know, but I'm scared. There. I wonder what's going on. I'm scared too.
Come on, everyone. Let's stay close together. But we have to find a way to tell Jollibee. Tara, dun tayo.
Come on, guys. Okay, here.
Come on.
That was
Dahan-dahan na.
weird.
That would be a splendid exchange. The
Wow.
superb cow in return for my horse.
And then?
The dragon really enjoyed watching the clouds and finding shapes in the sky.
Oh, that's nice.
What happened? I wasn't finished yet.
Mukhang umuulan ha. Okay, kids. I think we need to go inside. Baka magkasakit tayo.
Sayang naman. Hindi pa ako tapos, but okay. We can continue our storytelling tomorrow. What was that? Did you see that?
What?
I thought I felt something too. Huh? Oh,
Look! What's happening? Look!
Oh no! The trees! The grass!
Mukhang hindi ulan ito.
Ngayon lang nangyari to sa Jollytown.
Hindi din ito nangyayari sa imagination ko.
This is really strange. We have to find out what's going on. Oh no! Look!
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
What happened?
Tete, I'm worried.
So am I, Karina. We've never lost the colors of Jollytown. Come here, guys. Oh. What was that?
Teka, parang nakita ko na yun eh. Saan ko nga ba nakita yun?
Come on, kids. We have to stay close to one another.
I wonder if the other Jolly friends are okay.
You're right. We should find them. Come on. Let's go to Jollibee's house. Be careful, guys. Careful.
Huh? That wasn't supposed to happen, was it? Huh? Hey! Who turned the lights off? Popo! Are you playing a joke again? Huh? Strange. What? Whoa. How did that happen? Could it be a strange chemical reaction? Popo? Ikaw ba yan? Linuloko mo lang ako eh. Popo. What's happening? This has never happened in my lab before. Oh no! I must have done something terribly wrong. I have to warn the others. Ayan, Lala. Galingan mo mag-color, ha? Yan. Ikaw din. Yan. Ilagay mo yung red. Oh,
Hey, what happened to the sunshine?
it's okay. Maybe there's just a lot of rain clouds today.
Okay. At least di masyado mainit.
Wait a minute. That's no ordinary cloud.
Look, everything's turning gray.
How can that be?
Look, the pins are losing their colors.
Oh, no. There's something very strange going on.
Look, Johnny.
Oh, no! Look at you. You're turning gray. Oh, even me. Even I am losing my colors. Come closer, kids. Whoa!
Look! Look at the painting.
Oh. Oh, wow. What happened? First the colors,
From a rainbow to dark gray.
then our feelings.
A while ago, we were so happy. But now, we're sad. I'm not sad. I'm really scared.
Come, huddle close, kids. We have to stick together and get through this.
Hey, look! It's Yum!
Oh, yeah. Yum, we're so glad to see you.
Oh no! The experiment affected you too! I'm sorry!
Huh? What experiment?
Jollibee!
no.
Look at us!
Look, Twirly. Jollibee, Yum, and the kids are black and white, too.
Oh, no. Everyone has lost their colors.
This is no experiment.
Hey, here comes Hetty.
Not her too!
Hey guys, imagination lang ba natin ito? Is this a bad dream? Oh, I hope it's just a bad dream.
I hope so, too.
Anong nangyayari? Jollibee, bakit nawala ang kulay natin?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Pero kailangan natin malaman kung paano maibalik ang kulay at saya sa Jolly Town.
Did you see a black cloud or smoke before you lost your colors?
Yes, natakot nga kami eh. We did too. Akala namin uulan lang.
Wait a minute. I also saw the smoke. I saw it from my window, so it really wasn't my experiment.
No, I don't think so, Yum. Okay, so it seems that the smoke had something to do with this. It took all the colors of Jolly Town.
Maybe this is a bad dream. Somebody pinch me. Nananaginip ba ako?
We're not dreaming, and we have to get to work. Listen, everyone. We have to help each other figure out this mystery.
Yeah, anything for Jolly Town.
But how?
First things first, guys. What could that black cloud be?
Parang nakakita na ako ng ganun dati eh.
Huh? Really?
Where?
Ng ganun dati eh. Eh, sabi na naman.
What's going on?
At last, nabago ko ng Jolly Town.
Who's there?
Now there will no longer be laughter and color in Jolly Town. You will be sad and gloomy forever, like me.
Who are you? What are you doing to all the colors?
Remember me, Billy?
Ikaw ang nasa kwento ko na ang prinsesa at ang dragon. Ikaw ang engkantada ng kaharian ng sunrisa.
Tama. Finally, it feels so good to be free.
Paano ka nabuhay? Ito ba?
Dahil dito sa Sunrisa, pag-ibig, pagkakaibigan, kabutihan ang naghahari.
I disappeared. But my anger did not. Inis na inis ako. Wala na akong naririnig sa karian ng sonrisa, kundi awitan at tawanan. If that wasn't bad enough, I could also hear the songs and laughter from Jollytown. I can't stand it.
Then Jollytown is not the place for you. Why are you here?
Sobrang sakit na ng aking tinga. Gusto ko na wala nang ngingiti o tatawa dito. Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Nag-ipon ako ng lakas para baguhin ang buong Jollytown.
Baguhin ang Jollytown? What do you mean? Mawawala ang kulay ng Jollytown. I wish Jollibee and his friends could stop her.
I think I remember. I think I know who's...
Whoa!
What was that?
I wish I had my telescope so I could see.
I know how to find out. Billy can help.
Oh, wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Wait for me.
Make sure she's safe, Hetty. Oh, there's that smoke again. I'm gonna follow it and figure this out.
Tama si Jollibee. Okay, come on, kids. Stay
Don't
together.
worry, guys.
Come on.
Figure it out together. Come on.
Come here, come
Let's go. Dahan-dahan lang.
Now, where did the black smoke go? Oh, no. Look at the fountain. Look at the trees. Everything is gray. Ano kayang nangyari dito? We have to find a way to bring Collar back to Jollytown. Ang Jollytown ay makulay. Masayahin. Nasaan na ang lunti ang damo at dagat na bughaw? Nasaan na ang rainbow na makulay at tilaw na araw? Ibalik muli ang mga ngiti, ibalik muli ang kulay ng Jollytown. Huh? Oh. Parang may liwanag dun ah. Oo nga, no? May ilaw nga dun. I think I know where it's coming from.
Pwede niyo po kami tulungan ibalik ang kulay at kasiyahan ng Jollytown?
Yes, we need your help. Can you help us? Can you wish with all your hearts to bring back the colors of Jollytown next week?